everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time. I just got really busy with work, I got really busy with school, wasn't able to make videos, so I'm going to try and get back into it right here. I'm going to try and do a little bit better, film a little bit. I don't think the videos are going to be as edited or as... It's not going to be as much music. I'm just going to kind of shoot them kind of raw. I'm not going to edit them that much. I'm going to throw them together and I'm going to post them up just because I want to be posting again. And I want to be showing what's going on with the truck, which I just got back this last weekend from Dylan Urbany, who was building it. Some of you in the car audio may see him on Facebook once in a while. And then EasyDB Designs and Hunter Martin designed the box. And then Jamie Rollerson also helped build the box a little bit. So really excited to have everything back. If you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing. I know I've probably gotten like 90 or 80 subscribers since I left off, which is most of my subscribers, but thank you to everyone who stayed. I'm gonna try and keep this nice and short. Got a couple things to do on the truck today, and we're gonna get right back into it. Alright, so like I said, the truck is back. You can see it sitting right out there. So it was gone for a little while getting the box built. I don't have the tools, the resources, or the area, the room up here to actually build a box. I could go up and maybe try and ask some of the people I know up in Spokane, like Jeremy Mudd and those guys, if they would help me out, Bryce Cudmore, Dave Sauer, but it'd kind of be a pain to be driving an hour or 2 hours just to get to the box, although I know those guys are super nice and it'd be great to work with them and build this box, but to drive 2 hours just to work on the box and to have to do it consistently would be a little rough for me. So I decided to just bring the truck home, leave it there. I picked up a Subaru Outback for my parents, so that's my new daily. Gets a little bit better gas mileage on my way over to work every day. So that was the plan. That's what I ended up doing. So we got some stuff to finish up. Dylan did as much as he could. I kind of shorted him on time at the end because I had a small window to come down and grab the truck, so I had to come down and grab it, so some things didn't get quite as finished as he would have liked them. I think the box turned out great. He did an amazing job, but there's some things I have to finish up. So I got some great stuff. I need to seal the roof. The subwoofer needs to get fixed because I poked a hole in it when I was taking it out. It fell out of the box. Got some 3X because I couldn't find 8X to finish up some of the box. There's some trimming needs to be done. So I think in this video I'm just going to focus on maybe doing the subwoofer, or at least in this video all you're gonna see is me doing the subwoofer and fixing that up, and me spray foaming the top. So spray foam, if you guys don't know, because I think that's basically what's gonna happen in this video, is I'm just gonna show spray foam because I know I'm not gonna be able to do this that much because I'm very busy with work right now, and I get home and I'm tired and I do want to work on the truck, but filming is a lot of work on top of working for the truck and filming and then editing right after. So videos probably won't be as regular as they were, but I'm going to try and get them out hopefully at least once a week. I'm going to get some videos out. So I might be filming a lot today and you might see a lot of footage from today for the next couple of weeks. But that's just because I know I have time right now to do it and I'm not as busy with everything as I usually am. So spray foam top. If you don't know spray foam is extremely sticky and it's a pain to remove once it's on. So I have some of the cheap plastic like paint filming that I'm going to try and kind of wrap where the spray foam is going to be going so it doesn't stick to any of the metal of the vehicle, so if this box ever does need to come out I can just peel it off with the plastic and it's not going to be that much of a pain or a hassle to get back off of the truck, because I know even taking out the last box it was really obnoxious trying to get a lot of spray foam out. I know I didn't film any of that. I think the last video you guys saw was me tearing out the woofers. So it's been a while, but we're gonna get back into it. Like I said, I just got busy. So we got great stuff, which is always a good one to go to. Gaps and cracks, great stuff. So we're gonna go for that. And then I've got it's a bit of a mess right now. I just got some stuff back. So let's see. Oh, I don't know where I put this. I'm gonna have to find this and I'll be right back. Alright. Found it, 72-inch masking film. That's the right word for it. I couldn't think of that. So it's masking film. I also don't know if this is focusing or not. We're just going to go for it. So yeah, I'm going to go down. We're going to try to cover where the spray foam is going with this. And then we're just going to fill it with great stuff and see how it goes. Alright, so you're getting a little sneak peek of the box, but you can see I've fished this through the top there. And it's coming out the other side too. Kind of fashioned a rope with some duct tape, but now I'm just gonna spray up in there, and I'll try and orient the camera so you guys can see that. And we're just gonna fill up that top section. You can see there's a ton of that stuff still left on the car, but I'm gonna try and minimize damage as much as possible. There you go, shake it up and go. Well, that was over the phone, so that was dumb, but now we'll actually do it. I completely forgot about it. Now for the other side, you can see I've done the exact same thing. So unlike the other one where I decided to fill over it a little bit, I'm just gonna shove it up in there, fill underneath it, and then I did it on the other side. I didn't really show you, but I slightly taped it off so it tries to push it towards the center of the box in this way instead of it letting it seep out the back. So we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna take off Dylan's clamp there so I don't get covered in spray foam too. So there you go, just spray foaming the top of the box a little bit. That's got to cure for like 72 hours before it stops actually expanding, although I've seen foam expand for a lot longer than that. I know when Dylan tore apart the box, there were sections of foam that were still uncured inside, and that had been in there for almost 2 years. But we gotta let that cure, and that's gonna be it for this. I know they're a little bit shorter, they don't cover as much right now, but I'm trying to do what I can do to at least get back on it. So I will see you guys next time. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more, and hopefully we'll be seeing a lot more.